Hello little artist. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Now, we draw a big tree beside the house. This is the root of the tree. Here, we draw a sun using circle shape. Now, it's time to coloring. Blue color. A roof is the top cover of a building. That keeps the rain, snow, and sun out. It's like a big umbrella for your home. Roofs can be flat, pointy, or sloped. Some roofs even have windows, called dormers. The roof protects the house from the weather. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow to color the wall of the house. Walls keep us safe inside the house. The walls hold up the roof. Walls can be painted many colors. We can put pictures and posters on the walls. Walls make our house into different rooms. Red color. Purple color. Green color. Green color. Here, we use green color to color the tree which beside the house. Green color. This is brown color. We use yellow color to color the sun. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.